pass. Where's your press pass?
Can you fucking
Show me
getting
your
your
press
finger
pass.
in my face?
Show me your press pass. Show me your press
Motherfucker,
pass.
would you do that to me without your fucking gun? No.
Yes, I would.
No, you wouldn't.
Oh, hold
Look
on.
at this guy.
You know
Look
what?
at this guy.
Hold on.
You're gonna lose your job. You're gonna lose your job over this stupidity. Look at this guy. Stay away from me. Stay away. No, I'm gonna tell you, fuck you and fuck off.
Go ahead. Stay right here. Go ahead.
Law enforcement officers often engage in fishing expeditions by confronting citizens who are recording in public spaces. When an auditor stands firm on public access, it exposes how some personnel try to manufacture authority where none exists. The ultimate barrier against this overreach is established in the U.S. Constitution, which dictates, Congress shall make no law abridging the freedom of speech or of the press. Understanding this right allows an auditor to confidently decline arbitrary demands for credentials while standing on public ground.
Hello. Are you videotaping for a reason?
Yeah.
You know that we don't allow videotaping on the court. You have to get permission from the administration.
You're allowing him to know what we're doing. We're press. We know we're allowed to be. We're on the public access.
Do you have a press pass?
It's the first of it.
Let me see your press
We
credentials.
don't need a press pass. You're not going to see
You
nothing.
have to show me.
You're not going to see nothing.
All right. Here's what I'm going to do. Okay.
Do what you
I'm
want to do.
going to call for another unit.
Okay. That's fine.
And then
148.G, California Penal Code 148.G.
Yes.
Okay? First
It doesn't
Amendment.
allow you to.
You are about
It
to.
does not allow
you don't get to yell at me.
It does
No,
not.
you don't get to yell at me.
You don't get
Why
to
are you
talk
yelling
over me.
Why? You work
I
for
am
me.
explaining it to
you don't.
you.
I work for you. You don't work for me, right? You work
I don't
for me.
work for you.
You work for me,
No,
sir.
I work for the port, sir.
Exactly.
That's right. And because this is port property,
No, sir.
you're not allowed to take photographs.
I am
of
not on port property. This is public property, sir.
This is port property, sir.
Sir, anybody can
That's
drive
port
up
property.
and down this street. You have to allow access. Okay, this is
This
a bicycle
is port
lane.
property.
You can do what you're going to do, but you're going to get in a lot of trouble. I will call your supervisor.
Okay. You can call the
Okay,
director
well,
for all I care. Okay.
You're live on the internet.
I know that.
Okay, so
I know that, but you're wrong.
you're infringing on my
You're
civil
wrong.
rights. Okay.
Okay.
Then prove me
You're
wrong. Prove me wrong. Arrest me and
This
get
is
a lawsuit.
private property.
No, it's not. This is the port that belongs to the people. What are you talking about? You see these guys?
44. Can I get a supervisor, please?
Come and yell at the people that you work for, sir.
I don't
Shame
work
on
for
you.
you.
Who do you work for, sir?
I work for the port director.
Hey, where do you get your money from?
I get my money from
You guys,
the port
can
director.
you guys call the port? You're going to get a bunch of phone calls. You're going to be put in your place today about
Hey, guess
no,
what?
you're
I
not
work for the port
You're not
director.
going to infringe on my rights today, sir. I
Yes,
don't know who you
know
think
what?
you are. He still would say yes.
Do you have port credentials? Or
We don't.
When confronted by a fishing cop, an auditor will effectively dismantle claims of obstruction by demonstrating an exact knowledge of the penal code. In these situations, security personnel aggressively try to twist the narrative by threatening an arrest for obstructing an officer. However, California Penal Code Section 148G explicitly states that the fact that a person takes a photograph or makes an audio or video recording of a peace officer does not constitute, in and of itself, a violation of Subdivision A. By citing this specific statutory protection, the auditor completely neutralizes the threat of a bogus arrest.
We have the First Amendment.
If you're
Don't
saying
point,
you're
get your
a
finger
press,
off my face.
if you're a port,
Get your
if you
finger out-
say that you're a press man,
Get your finger
you
out of my
have
face.
to have port credentials.
Get your finger,
press
and you're
credentials.
spitting on me now. Get your way from me.
So what I'm
You
telling you
tyrant.
is
We're going to walk like we were walking, and you're going to leave us alone, sir. Thank you.
you can keep walking. You can go.
That's right. You're not going to.
You're free to go.
That's right. We're free to stay too.
No, you're not.
Yes, we are.
You're free. You're free
If we're free to go, we're free to stay.
videotaping.
If no, you're going to
can keep going.
learn a big lesson today, sir, about the First Amendment, who you work for, and
I work for the port.
148.G. 148.G says I can.
You have to have press pass. Where's your press pass?
Can you fucking
Show me
getting
your
your
press
finger
pass.
in my face?
Show me your press pass. Show me your press
Motherfucker,
pass.
would you do that to me without your fucking gun? No.
Yes, I would.
No, you wouldn't.
Hold
Look
on.
at this guy.
You know
Look
what?
at this guy.
Hold on.
You're
You know
going to
what?
lose your job. You're going
You
to
know
lose
what?
your job over this stupidity. Look
You
at
know
this
what?
guy. Stay
Here's what
away
I'm
from
gonna
me.
tell you,
Stay
okay?
away. No, I'm
gonna
going to tell
stay
you,
right
fuck
here,
you
okay?
and fuck off.
Go
okay?
ahead. Stay right here. Go ahead and stay right here. Go ahead and videotape this. Okay?
Look at this. This
In
guy.
a few minutes, I'm going to arrest you for 148.
Really?
Delay in resisting a
148.G?
peace officer in the performance of his duties.
Really?
Yes, I
What
will.
law are you enforcing?
I am enforcing the
Hey,
port's
somebody call Felipe
port's
Hemming.
municipal
You're going to get a
code.
call right now.
Okay? So you can leave anytime you want.
We can
Show
go.
me your press pass.
I'm going to show you shit.
You don't have press pass.
Arrest
you
me.
don't, then,
Arrest me.
Then we will.
Arrest
when
me.
my supervisor gets
Arrest
here.
me. You're going to learn
Guess
a big
what?
lesson.
You will learn a lesson.
I get to fucking travel free in my country without any motherfucker coming up to me telling me that I
You have to show me your press pass if you're saying you're a press man. If you're not a press man, you don't have
or shut up.
Credentials.
No. I'm gonna do shit. I'm gonna keep being free just like I was.
Okay.
And look at this guy. And Miss California Transparency, look at you're gonna get a demotion. You're gonna get a talking to about the way you treat people in public.
Okay.
You're not Jackie Chan, okay? This guy's all in my face because we're walking down the street and we're taking pictures on the public access right here, not crossing no boundaries.
An essential tactic used by smart auditors to demolish overreaching officers is pointing out the total lack of reasonable, articulable suspicion required to detain someone. Officers often demand state identification cards simply because they dislike being filmed, which constitutes a classic fishing expedition. Under the landmark Supreme Court ruling in Terry v. Ohio, the police officer must be able to point to specific and articulable facts which, taken together with rational inferences from those facts, reasonably warrant that intrusion. Since taking photographs from a public right-of-way does not hint at criminal activity, the officer is left with no legal standing to compel identification.
This guy's gonna pull up like he owns me. I'm 52
Where's
years
your
old.
press pass?
I ain't gotta show you no press pass.
Then you're not the press.
Really?
Yes.
What's free press? Dumbass. What's
You
free
have to have a
press?
press pass.
What's free press?
Press has to have a
Citizen press.
You have to have a press by a
Look at this guy.
or municipality. Otherwise, you're not a press man. Okay?
Look at you got 600 people laughing at you.
Okay, go ahead. Laugh all you want.
The First
You're still wrong.
Amendment lets me allowed to record anything I am free press. I
You
don't
can
need
do
a press
whatever you
pass.
want.
Okay?
Okay?
You getting in my face is very rude. I never got in your face.
I'm telling you, you need
Look at you're gonna be. No, I'm not gonna leave.
Okay?
Your supervisor's right here.
Yeah, hold on.
Sergeant, can you get this man out of my face?
He's saying he's a press guy. He's showing the press pass, saying that he can take pictures whenever he wants.
You're gonna get a demotion.
I told him it was a court
You see this? He was gonna take off his gun and fight me. I got it all on video.
Alright, sure.
Yeah, we're just protecting our First Amendment. Walking down the street, taking pictures. He pulls up and starts. She has the videos. What happened?
Okay, no, I'm talking to you. Go ahead.
But I don't need to talk. We're just gonna keep walking like we were and being free, man.
So you have your driver's license?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
Well, the thing is,
sir, that no, you can't turn a First Amendment protect activity to you trying to ID me, sir.
okay.
That's not the way 148.G works, sir.
Okay, hold
California
on.
Penal Code. I'm allowed to practice my First Amendment without having to show you, unless you can articulate a crime that I've committed. I am not going to give you ID, sir. I have not committed no crime, so if I was you, can you stop impeding my way? I'm going to keep going and being free and taking pictures.
I thought you called me under.
I didn't call you. He called you.
Okay.
So I'm done, sir. You have a good day. I didn't mean to call you. I didn't call you, sir. I didn't need no assistance. We were walking on our way, sir. I don't want to talk about it, but that's the way it was. Sir, you came up and spitting in my face, sir. How am I? No, wait, no, listen. Did I talk? No, because I don't work for you. You work for me, sir. I don't have to listen to you. You have to listen to me. I am one of your constituents. And
Hi,
you need to
how
get
are
your
you?
little freaking bulldog off me because he was spitting. He took off his gun live on the internet and was going to. Can you please take contact with me? I'm waiting for my life. I already asked you a question. Live on the internet, you got 766 people watching. And I appreciate if you just leave us alone and let us be free, sir. I don't need no explanation. It doesn't matter. We are free to anything that I can see with my eyes. The First Amendment lets me record it, sir. If they put up a wall, then I won't be able to record it. That's the way I like it. That's okay.
You're free to continue walking on the public roadway.
That's what we were doing. He's the one that stopped us. So I don't need directions, sir.
The power dynamic shifts entirely when an auditor aggressively reminds public employees of their exact role and who funds their positions. When an official attempts to command a citizen on public property, the auditor immediately asserts that public workers are bound to serve, not dominate, the community. This operational principle is rooted in the legal framework of the public trust doctrine, which mandates that the public trust resources are managed for the benefit of the public. Forcing these fishing officers to acknowledge this relationship turns a routine intimidation tactic into a powerful lesson in constitutional transparency.